Get up on that pipe now. You want to get up on it, you want to be comfortable on that pipe now. I tell you, if you try to get on that pipe, you gotta get comfortable. You know what I mean? You can't be shaking. You can't be uncomfortable. You got to be. If you got to get a seat now, if you got to get some scaffold, you get that scaffold. You need a bucket. You get you a bucket. Now you can't weld this pipe now. You're uncomfortable now. You want to get up on this pipe like this right here. All right now. See, I got me a chair right here. There's a chair right there. Get up on that pipe, okay? Let me get up on that pipe. Okay. I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again here, okay? Got a little too comfortable right there. That ain't gonna cut it now. You can't be too comfortable now. You gotta get up on that pipe. You got to be comfortable on that pipe. When you weld that pipe, you gotta have a dip in now. You can't weld without that dip in now. I tell you right now, you will never make a weld test without a dip in the lip now. You got to have music. See, that's another way I'm fucking up right there. I ain't got no music going on. Ow! See, you got to burn stuff once or twice before you burn the rod now. Anyway, got a little too comfortable right there, you two. Get me another rod real quick there, old son. Another rod real quick there, old son. Now, you want to get up on this here pipe now. You want, it's a tube. It's a tube test. This ain't no pipe. What am I talking about? This ain't even no pipe. See, now, same thing applies with the tube now. Tube, though, you definitely don't want to get too comfortable now. It's a little old tube. This ain't no plate. Ain't no piece of pipe that's damn near flat. You hear me coming right there? You come around the tube now, you gotta be quick. Turn that heat up and run with it there, old son. Can't just be fucking off. Let me show you on, let me go on down to there's a thick rod there, old son. Crank the motor about 150. I'm bullshit about right there, not 150 now. We'll give her about 80, 89. You give her about 89, you come around that there tube. Slick, son. Watch me now. Right there, grab that motor, you one hand, that's gonna be right here, old son. Yeah, you get on top of that there pipe now, you want to be just right above it now, 90 degrees. You don't want to be pushing that rod, you know, you're going to get some flags of cruising now. You don't want that right there. You got to get on top of that rod, 90 degrees now. Once you start coming downhill now, you pull off of that thing, now, because you don't want to get that slag cruising, you don't want to go, you don't run downhill now. Porosity is a motherfucker. I tell you right now, grinding this everything on this here pipe test. This here tube test, 6D, now you get that grinder out, the best friend now, especially you ain't down me like that right there. That right there, old son, that ain't what you want. Now you gotta get rid of that there, right? Grind that out. They gonna grind it off anyway before they bend it, you hear me? Follow me for more tips and tricks, old son. Ooh, boy, stop!